Today we're going to make a Buddha Bowl. We have cooked chicken breasts with quinoa, water, and seasonings in our Instapot. The quinoa gets a nice chicken flavor, and the chicken is very moist. It also is very convenient to cook it all in one pot. We're going to add our cooked quinoa as the base to our Buddha Bowl. Then we're going to shred the chicken with 2 forks and set it on top of the quinoa. We're also going to add some tomatoes that were cut in half and some fresh sliced carrots. Then we're going to add some pickled red onions. To pickle the red onions, we slice them thin and toss them with red wine vinegar with a little bit of garlic and pepper. You can let them sit for a couple hours or overnight. Next, we're going to toss mixed greens with vinegar and oil and some Italian seasoning. And we're going to add that as a big topping to our Buddha Bowl. The nice thing about a Buddha Bowl is that it's very fast to make, and it gives you a nice healthy meal based on whole grains, veggies, and lean protein. You can also top this with more of your favorite dressing if you like. Hope you enjoy.